Another Impact Your Sales Now 2-minute tip that can save you hours. Imagine what a 60-minute one-on-one session can do for you. Today we're going to be importing data from a top producer file. Now keep in mind there was a considerable amount of prep work that went into our Excel file that we're going to be importing here. We had to delete quite a few columns. We needed to merge data from multiple columns into one, and then there's also 3 columns that will provide you that will cause an error when you import the data. So we had to remove a couple of those columns and modify another column. So there's quite a bit of work that goes into that Excel file before you can begin to import it into Outlook. But let's get started with the import process. So I'm going to go up to File, Import and Export. Import from another program or file. We're going to leave that. Click Next. We're going to choose a comma separated values Windows format. That is the file that we were working on. We saved it as a comma separated values format. Click Next. We have to choose our file. In my case, it is on my desktop. It's Contacts. I'm going to click OK. Click Next. What file do I want to import this into? Always, always, always import it into a temp folder. Never import a list of names into your existing contact folder, just in case there was a problem. You always need to go into your map custom fields to make sure that everything maps correctly. And what that means is that the data that I have in my file, that it matches with what Outlook calls the contact. So first name, I want that to equal first name as an example. Last name, I want it to equal last name, etc. We're going to click OK, and then we'll click Finish. And that will import our data into our temp folder in Outlook. Once I've checked everything out and it looks okay, then I can move those contacts into my main contact folder. That concludes another Impact Your Sales Now 2-minute tip that can save you hours. Imagine what a 60-minute one-on-one session can do for you. Give me a call, 206-850-9996, or send me an email at jeffstechtraining@earthlink.net, and let's set up a training session for you.